Hello, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yves once here again. Today I have another product from The Ordinary, and this is an antioxidant. And it says it is the Ordinary EUK-134 and it's 0.1%. Okay, this is water-free, high potency antioxidant formula. So what is EUK-134? Okay, so this is what scientists say. It is a form of a superoxide that forms an exceptional rare self-generating molecule that scavenges superoxide free radicals, eliminates hydrogen peroxide, and converts reactive oxygen species into water and oxygen. This formula does not contain water, silicones, oils, or alcohol. So obviously, this is a kind of an antioxidant, and this is one of the affordable stuffs on their website. This costs about 9 to 10 euros. Okay, it's very affordable. I have been using this for about 2 to 3 months now. I bought it together with some other products from The Ordinary. Now, this is how it looks like. Okay, this is brown in color, kind of. Okay, it looks like a rusted brown in color. It's odorless. It's supposed to be applied alone or after water-based serums before oils, alternatively mixed with other treatments to enhance their antioxidant capacity significantly. Do not use with highly acidic formulations such as suspensions of ascorbic acid. Okay, so basically this is also an antioxidant, and as they recommend, you can use it on its own, as I do use this on its own. This type of antioxidant, I would say, is very great for people with acne prone skin, and a little bit goes a very long way. I've been using this for, as I said, 2 to 3 months, and I still have a lot left in it. Now, what do I think about it? The first time I use it, I must say I use it in the evenings. I don't use it during the day. The first time I used this, I felt a little bit of a tingling effect. This is natural, it's an antioxidant, so it's natural. You can feel this. Now, but after some days, I didn't feel it anymore. Maybe my skin was getting used to it. Now, when you rub it on your skin, you feel, a slight reaction, like a slight, heat on your skin. Okay, when you rub and you feel this kind of heat on your skin, but just after some few seconds it goes away. And I don't use this every day. I use I use this 3 times in a week maximum. This is an antioxidant and it's a kind of an acid, so you shouldn't use it every day. I mean, it's too much. Just use it 2 or 3 times in a week and you are good to go. Did this actually help me? Well, I am kind of in between. For a dramatic change or a great improvement, I would say, I'm sorry, but I didn't see any great or different improvement after using this for about 3 months. I didn't really see any great improvement. Like, as it says, it helps get rid of blemishes for a smoother, more elastic looking skin. Did it really improve my skin texture as it says? It's okay. Nothing special. Okay, I didn't see any great improvement. I'm sorry, but I'm being honest here. I didn't see any great improvement when I used this. I would say maybe this is one of The Ordinary products. Another one that, well, I am not so fond of. Honestly, I am not so fond of this, and I don't think I will be getting it again. Don't get me wrong, it could work for you, but with me, I didn't really see anything. Okay, if you use something for a whole 3 months, you should see something. I mean, even a little tiny weeny slight difference, but nothing actually. I didn't see anything. I'm sorry, but It's not bad. It didn't irritate my skin, but it was like putting water on my skin. I didn't see any difference. I'm sorry. I used this on its own, you know, as they recommended, or you can mix it. I didn't mix it. I used this on its own, you know, usually at night before going to bed. And after 3 months, I must say it's not something I will buy again. It feels good on the skin, okay? But as to its effectiveness, in my opinion, is nothing. It looks good to, you know, look at. But in my opinion, it didn't really do anything for me at all. I didn't see any difference, okay? It's something you can use, but you know, if you use something, you expect to see a change. But with this, it didn't do anything for me. Maybe it could be good for other people or other skin types, but with my honest opinion, I'm not buying this again. You know, as you can see, I still have some left. You know, a little bit goes a long way, but maybe it will just expire and I'll just throw it off. Unfortunately, I'll have to throw it out and then nothing for me. Okay, guys, so that is it. Do you have any opinion about this? Have you ever used it before? Are you thinking of using it? It's an antioxidant, so basically, if you're using it, you should know what you're using it for. Let me find out in the comment section if it did work for you, or if you didn't really see anything after using it for a very long time. So that is it, and this is what I think about this product. I am not buying it again. Anyway, I hope you did enjoy this video and I hope I did help you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up and don't forget to share this with family and friends. Until next time, I am going to see you with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.